Hello and welcome everybody, I'm the GamePro232, and as you can see, I'm in a very special place, the Underworld, where the Wall of Flesh will be defeated. Just kidding, I'm not fighting him today. Today, I will be teaching you how to make an extremely useful thing if you ever want to get Hellstone, an obsidian skin potion. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. You will need 1 bottled water, 1 fire blossom, 1 water leaf, and 1 obsidian. To craft a bottled water, sorry about that, you will need 1 glass. To craft 2 bottles on a furnace. To fill those bottles with water, you can craft bottled water in the potions section by standing in water. To get a fire blossom, you will need, well, you need to go to the Underworld or have ash block. To get a water leaf, you will need to go to the desert and swing your sword around like a maniac. And then to get obsidian, you simply pour water. You simply mix lava and water together, and it's pretty cool. So, as you can see here, obsidian skin potion provides immunity to lava, 4-minute duration, and you craft it on an alchemy station. To craft an alchemy station, you will need 1 empty bottle, to place it on a workbench, as you can see there. As you saw me do there, I took off my lava waders, and when I jumped into the lava, I burned. That's not good. So, when you drink the obsidian skin potion, well, it's pretty obvious I'm not burning, right? I'm not dying. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe. This has been the GamePro232, and I'm out.